Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to share a photo link in Lightroom on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to go ahead to your Lightroom, and here you just have to choose the photo that you have edited before that you want to share for the link. For example, I'm gonna open it like this, and simply just have to tap on this share icon at the top right in the screen. Just tap on it like this, and after here you can see for the option which is get shareable link. Just tap on it like this. This is the look like. Tap on continue, yeah guys. We have to wait for a second like this. And yeah, this is the link. You just have to copy it for the link like this. And also you can use this QR code, yeah guys. So you can scan to this QR code if you want to share the photo from your Lightroom, or if you still want to share it by link, you just have to copy like before. And now you just have to open the contacts that you want to share the link by the edited photo on the Lightroom. For example, I'm gonna open my WhatsApp and I'm gonna choose the contacts that I want to share for the link. Now you just have to pass the link over here and now send the link. So if the contact is already open this link, it will be automatically got the photo that you shared before, yeah guys. It will look like this. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.